Hello, we have a Dario A950 Air with us. It's not a customer's mouse, it's our mouse, we just bought it. Completely brand new, straight out of the box. Was just curious on how the disassembly looks. There are 4 total skates. I have opened up 2 skates on the top and the bottom, but there were no screws under the skates. So for this version, no skates need to be removed to open it up. There's one sticker under it. So the sticker had one screw, only one screw for the whole mouse. Opening it up, there are a few latches. Be very careful because the mouse is extra lightweight, and if put much pressure, it can easily break. There's a ribbon cable as well. So when you're opening up the mouse, make sure you don't pull the upper and the lower shell, because the ribbon cable can easily get torn. The ribbon cable is very thin as well. There are 2 latches which holds the PCB. As you can see, the PCB is very thin. So be very extra careful with this mouse when you disassemble it.